I started with the idea of just creating like a simple dashboard just to keep track of my stats in my business. At first I was just seeing basic spreadsheet. How did I made, how much followers I have on my channels, how much money did I make with Upwork, things like that. Very simple dashboard. So, but yeah, with me there's never a simple solution to anything. I like to create the most optimal solution, like I was seeing a complete dashboard. So I asked ChatGPT what would be a good solution. I want to keep track of my main indicators of my business, but I would like to also have some information based on actual data. Kind of I'm uploading videos daily. What kind of video should I upload? What kind of video should I not upload anymore? Is my business progressing? Like having actual guidance. Like if I was to have an employee that is responsible for my marketing on my business, as the business owner, what kind of information that I should have access to. So I asked ChatGPT, and he convinced me to start looking at creating an application that would connect with my YouTube analytics, my Upwork, Shopify, AI, give me insights about what I'm doing. I like the idea, yes, but today I spend much more time on that idea that I was expecting, and I still don't have data in my spreadsheet. So the goal was just to connect to both of my YouTube channel, download all the information, and have the new videos automatically updated and integrated into the spreadsheet. So that was the goal of the day, to just download my YouTube history, import that into a spreadsheet to have actual business information that I can use. So that was the first step. I'm not a programmer. I studied computer science. I finished in 1995. I spent probably 3, maybe more hours configuring, installing software, getting API keys, installing development environment on my computer, teaching another AI cursor based on the indication of ChatGPT of what I should be asking that other software to write code, and ChatGPT was there to teach me, supervise the other AI, trying to make sense of everything. I'm not there yet. I'm probably 90% done. I didn't see the results. So yeah, maybe I'm closed or maybe not. We'll see. That's a real-time experiment, trying to build an application with AI as an architect and another AI as a junior programmer, trying to write. Désolé. Sorry, my stabilizer doesn't have batteries anymore, so I will be unstabilized for the rest of the video. Sorry if it's shaking. I will try to sit somewhere. So yeah, I spent a good deal of the afternoon trying to configure everything, trying to make sure that things were going smoothly, but it's not easy. And yeah, so I spent way too much time without results. It's frustrating. Let me know if creating apps with AI is something that you looked. I know my kids are doing that. It's a long process, it's not easy. Let me know what you think. Are you using AI? Are you using AI as a business coach like I'm doing? Or even like as an employee working for you, building stuff, creating applications? Uh, Let me know. It's a totally new world, but at least we have the AI that can help us. We're not just by ourselves trying to program an application. I feel I am not alone, but at the same time, the cost to get to having an employee that works for you, that go into your data, that gives you business insights, information about what you should do in your business, what not to do anymore. It's doable, but the path to get it running, it's a challenge. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. It's not something that I'm used to, but I'm not at the first reinvention either. That's the subject of my channel. Actually, I'm reinventing myself after 40, and I'm sharing my experience with you guys. So let me know. Let me know in the comments what is your thinking about AI as application builder, and if you like what I do, please subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.